Yes, sir.
Is visible? Okay, fine. Okay, then fine. Then let us start with the next topic today. Okay. So I don't know like until what topic we completed last class. I think we have completed the last class, that is basically I told you about this thing. What you call mm, defined document splitting that done. I think. Okay. Okay. So see here. This thing is done. Correct. This thing is done. Defined tolerance vendor is done. Correct. No. Correct. No. So see here. The last topic what we have done, I told you how to maintain the defined tolerance vendors and how to maintain the document splitting SAP. So and this is the last configuration which you have done in your SAP system. Correct? I told you how to maintain the defined tolerance vendor step. Correct? How to maintain document. This is done. So today what shall we do? Today we shall start with the next topic, that is called GL basic and master setting configuration start today. Okay, so today we start with the GL basic setting and the master setting configuration start today. In that what we do, in that we create a chart of accounts. Okay, so in that what we do, we create a chart of account in SAP. So let us start the next topic today, that is called chart of account. So let me tell you what exactly is chart of account. Okay, so see here in SAP you get here totally three type of chart of accounts you get. Okay, so one is called as a operational chart of account. Okay, the another one is called as a group chart of account. The another one is called as a country specific chart of account. Okay, in SAP we get three type of chart of account. One is called operating chart of account, which is also called as a operating chart of account. The another one is called as a group chart of account, and the another is called as a country chart of account. Let me tell you what the difference between these three. Operating chart of account, what is exactly? The operating chart of account contains GL account that is used for posting your company code during daily activities. Okay, financial accounting and controlling both is a chart of account. Okay, so you have to assign an operating chart of account to company code is mandatory. So creating the operating chart account is mandatory to follow daily activities of the company. The another one we have is that is called group chart of account. Okay, so what is group chart of account? Basically, the group chart of account contains the GL account that is used for entire corporate group it is used. Okay, this allows the company to provide the report for entire corporate groups here. Okay, assigning of a corporate group chart of account to company code is optional. This is also optional. Correct. Then we have last another one that is called country specific chart of account. What is country chart of account? The country specific chart of account contains GL account that is needed to meet the country's legal requirements. Okay, this allows you to provide the statement for the country's legal requirement. Assigning of a country specific chart of account to company code is optional. That means this is also optional and this is also optional. So which I should maintain compulsory now? I need to maintain operating chart of account. Clear? So now what I will do? Let me create the operational chart of account, which is the mandatory to create. Okay, group chart of account means together they create 4 or 5 chart of account. Country specific means what? As per the country requirement they create, but maximum company uses the operational chart of account. Okay, operation chart of account is very important to create. Without this, no configuration will be done in SAP system. That is the reason to create operation chart of account. So how to create operation chart of account in SAP now? Let us go to SAP and let us do it in a SAP system. To create operation chart of account, you need to go for SPRO. SAP references ING, you need to go here. To create operation chart account, you go to SAP ING. Under that, you need to go for here financial accounting here, and I need to go for here. It comes under financial accounting. Another need to go for general ledger accounting here. Okay, another comes under here GL accounts. Another comes under here master data. Another comes under here preparations. Under that we have here edit charts of account list. This is where we create. Okay, so edit charts of account list is the where we create our operational charts of account in SAP, for which we are doing the configuration now. So what I'll do here now, I'll go to the edit charts of accounts, go here, list here. So once you go here, then what you do, click on a new entries. Once you click on new entry, the system will ask you to provide the chart of accounts. So here you need to provide your chart of accounts in new code. Okay, once you provide new code, A new 4-digit code you need to give here as an operating chart of code. I'll take for example like company code. What was there? The company code I had taken as a TA51, right? Correct? No, I had taken as a TA66. Sorry. Company code I had taken TA66. So chart of account I'll take here TA6CL. Fine. Then the description I'll put here, for example, like this: chart of account for company code TA66. Ready? So this is my chart of account code for which company code? For TA66. Then the maintenance language will be for EN for English. Correct? In which language you want to maintain this chart of account. And length of GL account number will be 10. Okay. So what is this 10 means? This 10 means how many digits of the GL account you want to create. For example, you can see here. See, this is this length. I'm telling you, in the future we do this one. This is a length. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 10 is there? No. This length cash account is there here. So this is called as a length. See, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10 is there? No. So this 10 length is called, that is a length here, number. So that much number I can create a GL account, see, 10 number. Okay. And integration will be controlling will be a manual and group chart of account, you want to create a group chart of account here. Okay, you can create a group chart of account here, and blocking, unblocking, you should not do this. Blocking, if you do, you will be like this chart will be blocked. You cannot use anywhere. Okay, so what you do now? Click on enter. Click on save and enter. Here, my chart of account is created. Now what you do? Copy this chart of account code from here and just go and put it over here. TA6C is called chart of accounts. So you got to copy that chart of account code and you got to go and give it there. So my chart of account is created. Our saves. Yes, clear? Anyone has any doubt with this one? Okay, yes. Clear? Okay, then save. So after chart account is created, what you do? Take it back. Take it back. Then comes assign company code to chart of accounts here. I told you, right? Every time we create a new code, that we go and assign to the company code compulsory. Okay, so we'll assign that code to the company code now. Which code? The chart of account code. Okay, so go to assign company code to chart of accounts. Click on position and find the company code. What is my company code? TA66. Correct? So give the company code. I click on continue. So once you give company code, once you click on continue, company code will come here. Now here what you do, give chart of account. What is the chart of account? TA6C. Give here. Okay. So give chart of accounts here. Then click on save. So you are assigning company code to chart of account. Okay. And what if you create a country specific chart of account, then you should give here that time. Okay. If you create a country specific chart of account, then you need to give the country chart of account over here, the code. So now what I'm creating a operating chart of account. So that is the reason I'll just give it here, then click on save. Save and enter. Data was saved. Correct. I'm creating operating chart of account. So what I'll do, I'll assign the company chart of account. And another one thing I'll tell you, multiple company may follow the same chart of account, and or a same chart of account can be assigned to multiple company code. Okay, a same chart of account can be assigned to multiple company code can be done. This can be assigned to multiple. But now what I'm doing, I'm assigning one. Now click on save and take it back. Then so my chart of account is created and has been assigned. Then comes a very important part here, define account groups. Okay, so define account group is what very important step. Here we tell a system that how many groups we want to use in our chart of account. How many groups we want to use in our chart of account, that we put here. So go to define account group here. Once you go here, then click on a new entry and give your chart of account. What is my chart of account? It is TA6C. Then first group, I'll take it as assets. I'll take it as assets. I'll take from number 0, 1 to 100. I'm taking. Ready? So this is called the lengths here. You can use here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct? You can use this much of number, 10 number. So this many accounts of chart of account can create in your SAP system. So I take here 1 to 100. Again TA6C, I take it as a liability, and I want to 200. TA6C incomes or revenue incomes 201 to 300. I take TA6C expenditure 301 to 400. Okay. So this is the number range I'm giving to them. Now what will happen is in my company code, in my chart of account, whatever I create from 1 to 100, it will take asset side. Okay, and whatever number I create from 101 to 200, it will take liability side. 201 to 3 it will take income side, 301 to 4 it will take expenditure side. Got it? So whatever number I have given here, depend upon that only I'll be able to create my accounts. Ready? And this number can be extended. Yes, Ashish.
I want to know what is the meaning of assets and liabilities.
Assets and liabilities means like what are the company assets are they? They are the assets. Assets means basically what? Like cash or bank, correct? Assets are the one like a cash, bank, or whatever
Land
is
and building,
available.
land and buildings, plant
Land
machinery.
and building, furniture. These are the assets they are. Right, Ashish? Assets means what? Assets means basically which these are the assets. Bank, debtor, furniture, input tax is all. Correct? They actually will be there with you. They are just kind of your assets they are. Okay. And the liabilities means what? Liabilities means basically these all things. Capital, shares, debenture, output tax, these are the liability. Okay. Like whatever you invest in a business, that is called liability. And income is what? Income is basically revenue. Can you see now? Commission received, salary received, discount received, wages received. These all are the income. And expenditure means what? Expenditure means basically which are expensing them. But like purchase, if you do purchase, it is expenditure. Correct? Commission paid is the expenditure, salary paid expenditure. Correct? So these are the items there. Okay. Clear now? What does this? Assets means what? Like whatever is
Yes,
there
yes.
with you, that is called assets. Okay. Liability is what? Basically what liability means which you are invested or the amount is income yet to come. That is liability. And income basically means which are already under the income, like which are already gained the income. And expenditure are the one where the all expenditure has already happened in the company, like you paid salary, you paid commission, something like that. Okay, and these are the some item which I listed here. You can add more than this also. Okay, apart from asset, liability, income, expenditure, for in case suppose you have something a new item. For example, you have a like this thing what you call miscellaneous expenses. You can put here TA6C. I'll take miscellaneous expenses. Okay, I'll put here miscellaneous expenses. I'll take 401 to 500. Ready? How many you want you can add? How many you want you can add? But I won't add that much because I will just take this four. These four are very important and mandatory. Okay, so these four are mandatory to create. So I will use this four only as of now. Okay, now control S save. I click on enter. So I'll take 1 to 100 as asset, and 200 liability, 200 income, 304 expenditure. Correct. Now what will happen is whatever item I create from 1 to 100, system will take asset side. Whatever item I create 1 to 200, take liability, 2 to 300 income, 300 to 400 expenditure. So whatever I created here, depend upon that only the accounts will work in SAP. Here now click on C. Okay, and this number can be extended also. Okay, a number can be extended also. This number whatever is there here. So now what I'll do, I'll save and take it back. Done. So see, my chart of account is created, my company code is assigned to chart of account, and a defined account group also is done. Then what happens next comes defined retained earnings account comes now here. So now I need to maintain the retained earnings account. I need to maintain next year. Okay. So what is basically retained earnings account? Retained earnings account basically what exactly it is? Retained earnings account. Okay. Retained earnings account is used to carry forward the balances from one fiscal year to next fiscal year. Okay, what is retained account? Return in account is used to carry forward balances from one fiscal year to next fiscal year. From one financial to next financial year, what like you maybe heard about balance carry forward we do. Whatever the balance is remaining in the one quarter, that balance you do carry forward to the next year. Correct? So that is called as a retained earnings account. So what I'll do here, we need to go maintain it. To maintain that, you need to go here to the define retained earnings account, go here. The system will ask you chart of account. What is my chart of account? The one which I created just now, TA6C. So what you do, give here TA6C and click on continue. Okay. So once you continue, now system will ask you profit and loss account statement account type. So I will take two here, one for income, another is for expenditure. Okay, one I'll take for income, the another one I'll take for expenditure. Okay, so for income I'll take it as here something like TI I'll take. Only 2-digit code is applicable. So I'll take TI for income, I'll put a number 201, and expenditure I'll take TE, I'll put here 301. Ready? So I'm just taking the number of where we create that from. Okay, so I take here as a TI for 201 and a TE for 301. So I'm creating here 2. Correct? So after giving this much of detail, what you do? Click on save. Okay. So once you click on save, here now, system will tell you like this error will give you. Account 201 is not created in account is CC. So what you do here now, click on enter, again enter, and again enter. Ready? Why? Because the system has not created this one. So we should enter and accept it until it creates the account. Right? So what I did here now, TI I created for income for 201 and I created TE for expenditure 301. Ready? So when I will use them, I will use them at the time of creating the general ledger accounts one by one. Okay. So this is the balance carry forward which we use, and this code should be 2-digit code, not more than that. Okay, and account code should be a 3-digit 201 for income and expenditure 301. Save. And most of the some companies are there. Some companies what they do, they just put like this. For example, they put X here and they put here 50000 number. They put. Only this much they put here. Some companies, but that is not exact way to create. It depends upon the company to company. So now what I'm doing, I'm creating for my one for my income and one for my expenditure. Yeah. So once after giving this much of detail, now what you do, click on save. Is it already saved? Done. So once this much completion, now what you do, take it back. Ready? Chart of account is created, assign is done, account group is being maintained, and retained and also was also done. Here. So once this much configuration is completed, next to what comes now? Everyone is clear with this? Any doubt with this?
One question that for retained earning account, for this, what should be like a profit and loss will be carried forward into the next financial year, and what is the benefit of for this? I'm not
That
getting it.
what I created is written in this account. What I created, no. Okay, this is what written in this account I have created. This written earnings account, what I will do, this written earnings account I will go and I assign them to general ledger account, each GL account. Understanding? This is what I created. No, this one I will assign it to each GL account. Understanding?
Okay.
So that time what will happen is that time they will give us exact detail how much if I give this name. Okay. So when I give this name, that time it will tell me how much is the expenditure and how much is the income. It will tell me. Understood? I'll show that. I'll come back to the next part. Next topic we have that only. Okay. So in the next topic you'll understand why I have given it like this here. Got it, Ashish? See this one. Next topic is this. Okay, here I'll tell a system that what return in account they should follow. I'll tell them. So see here, this is called return in account. So when this much is done, the next concept comes now. That is very important. Next we'll go for, that is we have creation of GL accounts. Okay, the next topic we have is creation of GL account in FS00. I think now what I should do is I need to go for FS00 and I need to create this all GL accounts in my company code. Can you see? I just open this in Excel sheet. Wait. Okay, and see the creation of FS00 configuration follows end users here. Ready? I need to create it from the end user. Clear? So end user means what? End user means this screen. Okay, not SPR again. Okay, don't go to the SPR or not this screen. Take this back, take this back. You should do it from this screen here, end user. Okay, so where you should go to create this? I'll open this Excel sheet. Wait, let me open an Excel sheet. So this is all GL account you need to create. Wait. No, I kept somewhere here. Yeah, it is here. Got it? So these all GL account. What I should do? These all GL account. Can you see? So as per their number, you see account group number what I have given. I have taken account group number as a 1 to 100. All the asset item are there. Correct? Had I wanted to have taken all the liability item, 2030 I have taken all the income item, and 3024 I have taken expenditure item. Right? So as per this thing only, we need to maintain the GL account. This is all GL account. Correct? So first what is there? Balance sheet is there and profit and loss account. So under balance sheet comes asset and liability, and under profit and loss account comes income expenditure. So I need to go and create this GL account one by one. Okay, so what I'll do for this, I'll go to SAP. So where do we create that one? To create that, you need to come to the SAP menu screen. Okay, under that you need to go for your accounting. Under accounting, you have to go for your financial accounting. Under that, go for your general ledger. Okay, under that, go for your master records. Under that, go for your GL accounts. Under that, go for your individual processing. Here you are seeing FS00 centralization. Okay, this is the transaction code, and this is the path and transaction code both, where we create our GL account centrally. Centrally means what? We don't only create it at a company code level. Okay, we create it all centrally that other models people can use it. Okay, if you create a GL account now, and see GL accounts are very important to create. Okay, why? Because this will be integrated to all the account. Okay, everyone uses it centrally. GL account, what is that? Okay, like AR, like financial account department, material management department, sales and distribution department, all the department people, whatever is there, they use the GL account compulsory. And without GL account, none kind of entry can be done in SAP. Yeah, so that is the reason GL creation is a very important to create in SAP. Okay, so what I'll do here now, I'll go to FS00. So once I go to FS00 here, you get like this screens here. Okay, now another one thing I want to tell you, when you guys try, you might not get like this screen. You might get like this. Let's show you. When you try to create a GL account, you will get like this maybe. Okay, even this is a one kind of screen where we create a GL account. From here also we can create. Okay, we can create from here also. Even this is a one kind of screen where we can create GL account. And another one best screen, you can go to setting and hierarchy display. You can select here display accounts in navigation tree. I would suggest you to use this one, navigation tree. Why? Because it is a very easy and you can create all the configuration under this. Okay, so continue. See, the new setting will take effect once the transaction is started. Now what you do? Now take it back. And what you do? Go to FS00. Can you see? See. This is the best screen to do. Why? Because navigation is there here. With the navigation, you can create it here. Clear? Now what I will do? Now I will create this all the general ledger accounts one by one under my company code. So how to create them? How to do that one? The first one I have is asset. What is asset number 1 to 100? First item, what is there? Cash account is there. Correct? So what I'll do here? I'll click on create here. I'll click on create and I'll give my company code. What is my company code? My company code is TA66. What is first GL account number is 01. Correct? Company code is TA66. GL account number is 01. Then click on continue. Okay. So once you click on continue now, you got to select your account group. Under which account group you are creating? I am creating under the assets. Correct? Assets comes under balance sheet. Correct? And what is the name of the account? It is cash account. Okay, cash account is a short text, long text. Then after this, what you do? Go to this control data here. After this, okay, go to control data. You see this one line account management company code. Line item displays there. Can you see a line item display? So what you do here? Tick this line item display. Tick this one. Okay. So why we tick this line item display? Why we tick this one? The reason why we tick this line item display is any entry you pass with cash it will display. Okay. Any entry you pass with the cash will display. For that reason, you need to tick this line item display. Okay. And after that, the sort key. Okay. The sort key should be 001. It is called posting date. Okay. The sort key should be 001. It is called posting date. Why it is posting date? The reason because we give this as a first priority. Okay. When you pass an entry, in a GL account, this will display as a first posting date. Okay. I'll tell you when you pass the entry this one. And then come to create bank interest after that. Field status group give here G001, which is called general. Okay. I hope you guys get to know where this came from. Field status variant we maintain. Correct? We have maintained the field status variant, right? Double click on G001 and double click on this here. Correct? You remember for this group what you kept this suppress record optional C. Ready? This is this. Okay. Now whatever the fields you have kept there under the field status variant, those will be affecting here in this screen. Okay. So that is where this field status variant came from. You got it? So now what I'll do, I'll take here G001. Then what you do, click on save. Save and click on continue. So once you save continue, system will show you data was saved. Ready? So after data is saved, now change your company code. After creating the one GL account, then you need to change your company code. Don't change the company code immediately. Okay. So one GL account is created. After creating one GL account, now click on change company code. Click here. What is my company code? TA66. Okay. If you directly go to try to change directly, it doesn't come. Now give TA66 here. Now click on continue. Say assets, cash is created. Correct. Assets, cash is created. Again, click on create 02 next number. What is 02 next number is? Bank. Continue. Go to type description. Select assets comes under balance sheet. Bank. Sorry. Account. Then go to control data. After that again, you should take this line item display. Why we take this line item display? Any entry you pass it the bank, it will display. Then you need to give the sort key here. The sort key should be 001 posting date again. Then go to create bank interest. Give the field status group as a G001, which is called general. Then again click on save. Similarly, you should create all the GL account. Okay, again create 03, enter. Again assets comes under the balance sheet. What is another one? Sundry debtors accounts. And go to again control data. display line item sort key 001. Again go to create bank interest G001, save, enter. Again create 04. What is 04 next one? Furniture. Okay, assets comes under balance sheet. Again, I take care of furniture. Sorry, what is that? Furniture is there. So furniture account. Okay, I'll go to the control data, display, sort key 001, and go to create bank interest G001, save, enter. Again create 05, enter. I go to type description. As it comes under balance sheet. Understanding? I am creating the asset as per the number. Now again I click on create. I give here 101. Correct now? See 101 is the liability number starts from. Okay. Continue. Click on continue. Now tell me if I select here asset, will system will accept? Yes, guys.
No.
If I select asset, is the system will accept? Huh? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Is anyone? No. Why no? Tell me reason.
Actually, because of 101 is the code for only liability types.
Got it exactly. Understood, guys? Because if you select asset here, we are given 1 to 100 as see the account group asset is only defined for 1 to 100. It doesn't accept asset, it doesn't accept expenditure also. It doesn't even accept the income also. Nothing will accept here. It will only accept the liabilities. And liability comes under balance sheet also, correct? Okay. And what is the account name is the next capital. Capital account. Again go to control data here after that. Display sort key 001, save, then go to create bank interest G001, save, enters. Correct. Now what you can do, after creating one, you can copy from existing one now. After creating one GL account, now what can you do? You can copy from the existing from the software. Now what you do, select and copy here. Right click and copy, this is also same. Otherwise select it and click on copy, this is also same. So copy 102 item. So what is 102? It is sundry creditor. Select copy 103. What is 103? Shares. Save. Again select copy 104. Debentures. Copying, if you do it, is very easy. If you do copy, you can just only change the name. Rest of all, everything will be same. Select again copy 105. Output tax. Got it? If you copy from one GL to another GL, you just need to change the number and the name. Rest of all, everything will be there by system standards. Display 001 and G001. Now what I'll do, click on create. Now what does income number starts from? Yes. What number should I give for income now?
201.
Correct. Now you can see in front of your screen now 201. So 201, enter. Now here comes the income. Now should I select balance? Should I select balance sheet here or no?
No.
Profit and loss
It comes in a
statement
profit and loss.
Getting now profit loss account, and see here we assign that retained earnings account. See here, click on the box here. Can you see? See the retained earnings account what I created. Here we assign that one. See TI for income, TE for expenditures. Correct. The retained earnings account what I created, I'll assign here TI for income now. See. Correct. I'm creating income item, so I'll assign here TI for income. and I'll give the short text name here as a sales account. Then go for control data. After that, display sort key 001, create bank interest G001 and sales. Again, now what you do? Now you copy from existing one. Select, copy 202. What is 202 number? Commission receipts. Ready? And you can see here, you can do changes if you want. Control data, display 001, create bank interest G001 and sales. Again, select this, copy 203. What is 203? We have salary receipts. Select again, copy 204. I'll take it as a discount receipts. Again, I select and copy 205. That is wages receipts. Ready? See. So copying is the best way to do. If you do copy, you can do fast all the work. Okay, there will be no delay in working if you do the copy. If you create manually one by one, you should give all the detail of that each item, whatever item you create. Okay, so that is the part which is there in system. So now what I'll do next after 205, now I'll create. Now what number should I give for expenditure?
301.
301.
Got it? Understanding? Simple is there. 301, and here comes the expenditure item. And expenditure comes under balance sheet or profit and loss.
P&L.
Got it? P&L account, and a statement account type. What will come here now? TE will come here. Expenditure. Then after that, you should give short text here as a purchase. Okay, purchase account. Then go to control data. Again, display sort key 001 and go to create bank interest G001. Now click on sales. Got it? So this is the how we create a standard sale. Now what you can do, you can copy from one to another. Now you can do. Now select, you can do copy from the existing one. So how do we copy for this? Now select it and click on copy here. Okay, and just change the name to 302 commission paid account and save. First of all, everything will be there in system standards. 001 G001 save. Ready? Now again select and copy 303. Select again, copy 304. What is the account? This. Then what again? Select copy 305. 305 wages paid. Now open and check all the GL account, whatever you need, everything is created. Cash sale. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Can you see here? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. All GL accounts are created, whatever we needed for our company codes. Got it, guys, clearly? Anyone has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Clear from your side, Nisha? How about other people?
Clear.
Any doubts, you guys?
No, sir.
They got it now. Simple, one by one, you got to create a GL account. Okay. because these GL accounts are very mandatory to create. As I told you, general ledger GL accounts are like one kind of very important configuration, because it will not only be used by the one department. Okay, every model in SAP, MM model, SD model, PP model, HR model, whatever model is there, every model needs this thing, what you call a GL account in SAP. Okay, so that is the reason you need to create a GL account compulsory. Now this is the GL account what I have created for my company codes here. All GL accounts are created. Okay, now I want to tell you something, some configuration part. See here, now I'm going to show you how to find a direct transaction code in SAP. For example, see, any configuration you are doing in SAP, you go to enterprise structure, you go to definition, you go to financial account, you define company here. Correct? No, any configuration. And every T code in SAP has a direct transaction code. Okay, every step in SAP has a direct transaction code. Okay, so I want to see what is the transaction code for this. Okay, so how can I see that? To see that, you need to go for here additional information, display key, IMG activity key. Okay, to see that, you need to go for additional information, display key, IMG activity should go here. Okay, so this is where you can see that IMG activity of that. Okay, so you can click on IMG activity. Okay, so click on IMG activity. Once you click here, now take this little bit right side, you can see here. Can you see? See here. The direct transaction code for defined companies, last 4 digit OX15. Okay, can you see OX15? Now you can open another screen. Okay, you can open another screen. So direct type here OX15 type. Ready? If you type here OX15 enter, system will take you define company steps. Got it? Huh? So this is C. Okay, this is the how we can find out direct transaction code from here. Okay, this is called IMG activities. This is called IMG activities here. If you just keep mouse cursor on that, it will show the meaning of that is called IMG activity. Got it now? And that activation you can do it from here. See. So once I activate it, see it is showing you last 4 digits is a transaction code. Okay, and I think I have told the difference between the /n and a /o. Have I told you this difference between /n and /o?
No, sir.
No. Okay, I'll tell you now. Now concentrate what I tell you. See here. Now this is the transaction code for defined company. Okay. Now if I type here /o x15, what will happen? You know, if I type here now /o x15, if I type here, what will happen? This screen will be like this. Okay, and SAP will open a new screen to define company if you type /o. Okay, if you type a /o, this screen will be like this, and SAP will open the define company another screen. I'll just show you. See, enter. So once you enter, see define company, and the one work which you are doing is already like that. See, it is available. Ready? If you type a /o, okay, and what if you type a /n ox15, if you type, what will happen? If you type a /n ox15, if you type, this screen will go what you're working. Okay, this screen will go what you're working, and a new screen will come. New screen will get open. Okay, in a defined company will come. Understood? If you type /o ox15, understanding now? If you type /o ox15, this screen will go and define company will. This screen will be like this. Sorry. If you type /o, if you type /o, this screen will be like this, and define company will open. If you type a /n ox15, what will happen? This screen will go and system will take you to the define company. See, and that screen is gone. See, it is gone. Understood? So this is the difference between the /n and the /o. Notes? Got it? Everyone has got it? Yes, everyone has got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt with it?
No.
Okay, so the direct T code you can find like this. You can activate the function from here. This is the last 4 digit, and you got to know /o and /n difference. Okay, now see, I have opened this step. I have opened this step with the help of the this one path. Path, this is the path. The define company has come. Okay, I have opened this step with the help of direct T code, that is OX50. Correct? This two ways I told you how to open the step with this two way. There is another one way which will be used by the basis consultant or ABAPer. Okay, and there is another one way where we can open that with the help of ABAPer. So how to do that? Right click on this and click on display technical information, because in SAP every configuration has a table name. Right? I told you already in the starting class only. Whenever you do any kind of step in SAP, every step has a table name with that. So I want to find out a table name of this. What I'll do, right click on this, click on display technical information, click here. Okay. So once I click on display technical information, what is the table name? Go to maintenance object, go here. Okay, go to maintenance object here. The table name is what is there? V underscore T880. Now I want to open this with the help of table. So what to do? Copy table name here. Okay, copy this table name from here and give open another new screen. Go here SM30. Okay, go to SM30 here, enter SM30. Now give that table what you copied, copy paste here. Okay, copy and paste the table name here. Now click on maintains. Ready? Now once you click on maintain here, now you're able to see define company will come. See. Got it? Can you define company? Ready? This is with the help of table name. Now click on maintain, see table, define company has comes. So we can open this through the table name also, or you can open it to the individual also. However you want, you can open it, doesn't matter. But clearly, so this is how this table name will work in SAP. Any step. You want to open a fiscal year, I'll just show you fiscal year. Financial accounting, global setting, fiscal year, maintain fiscal year. Direct transaction code is OB29. Okay, if you type direct /OB29, this will come. Correct? Now what I'll do, I'll right click on this display technical information, click here and go to maintenance object, copy this one and go here and go to SM30, enter, give that here and click on maintain. See here it is not showing. Okay, SM30 is not showing. So what you do, go to SM34 you go. Okay, go to SM34, go here and give that one here now and maintain. There are two transaction codes are there. One is SM30 and this is SM34. If the table does not exist in SM30, then you go for SM34. Okay. Now click on maintain. See, now fiscal will come. See, maintain fiscal gives. Ready? You can open that with the help of direct T code, or you can open it with the help of the table name. Yes, clear everyone with this? Has everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it now? Okay. Now I want to show you another one thing. Okay. Now like your company is asking you report. Your company is asking you report that how many defined company are done. Okay. How many defined company are done here? In this, how many companies are situated at a Mumbai address? They want city. Okay. Now your company is asking you that how many companies are created under system with the help of like cities in Mumbai. How many are in Mumbai? Companies. Okay. How many companies are created which are taken city as a Mumbai? I want to find out. So they will tell you to find out all like, so now what you do, you don't go and check one by one. See, this is Bangalore, correct? This is what is there. This is a Bangalore they are given. This also see. They are given local address. These are given Bangalore, see, almost all. Okay, so you don't go and check one by one, correct? No, see. Okay, this will take you lots of time to check, correct? No, if you check one by one. Okay, so what we do now, what we do for that, we want to go and check at a one time. So first of all, what we do, right click on this and click on display technical information and go to maintenance object, copy this table name, same, copy the table name from here and go to another screen, go to the transaction code SC16N, go here. Okay, go to transaction code SC16N, go here. What it done? Go to SC16N, enter SC16N and paste that one here. Okay, paste that one here and remove this V underscore. Remove V underscore. Now click on enter. Now see, all came now. See postal code, city. Now what do you do? I want to find out how many are located in Mumbai. Correct? I want to find out how many companies under this table are located in Mumbai. So I'll take Mumbai and click on execute. So once I click on execute now, it will show me all the companies which are located in the Mumbai address. So click on execute. Once you execute, no value is found. That means no one had taken as Mumbai address. So let me take Bangalore and execute online. Say Bangalore, this much of Bangalore. Can I see? Yes, here. Bangalore. Correct. So this many companies are created with the help of Bangalore city. Ready? So we can find like this. Okay. Understood? So now you can convert this into Excel sheet. This one. You can just select all, Control C, copy can do, and go to Excel sheet and you can do paste. So otherwise what you do, you want SAP, from SAP you want to convert to Excel sheet from SAP. Then go to here, export and spreadsheet format. Okay, put export and spreadsheet format, click here and Excel format, continue this one, Excel format and save it on desktop. On desktop put a file name as in desktop I'll put as a list of companies located at Bangalore city. Let's save, click on allow and click on allow again. Now system by default will give you the Excel format. Ready? System will give you by default. Can you see? Came now, all see. So this is how you can find out the list of the companies what you created and list of the address what you created. Okay. So this is what you need to practice until here in our entire SAP system. Clear guys, everyone will clear this? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what you need to practice until here. This is how we do the configuration in SAP. Okay. You can find out everything in SAP, whatever is done. Your data can be tracked and how many companies are created, how many, everything can remove the report. SAP reporting is the best way of reporting in the companies. The reason why, because company works on SAP is the reporting part. The reporting part in SAP we can remove from any of the table, any kind of format. Okay, so that is how the system will work. Clear? So until here, you need to practice it in your SAP system now. Clear guys? So you got to practice until here. Then any doubts you have, again, I think tomorrow we have a class or not. Tomorrow we have class Friday. Has Manika told you tomorrow class will be there?
No, sir. Tomorrow, no.
Monday to Thursday she told, no?
Right, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Then I'll take it on directly on Monday then. You take time. Okay?
Okay, sir.
यहाँ ऑफिस में चाहिए दिखा था फंक्शन नहीं गई काय बोला भाई देखा वो फोन कर चुका होगा फोन कर चुका था देखा वो yeah, got it everyone. So see you guys on the Monday. So until Monday you need to practice until here, and I'll tell you the next topic on the Monday. So Monday we'll be starting our entries posting part, journal entries. I'll be telling you how to post the journal entries in SAP on Monday. Okay, fine. So chalo guys, see you guys everyone on the Monday. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Have a good night. Bye bye. Thank you. See you.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.